Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog of review. Today I am going to review the Alto 800. I am here in Maruti Suzuki Kalyani Motors. Let's go. This is top end model Alto 800 VXI Plus. This car comes in Celerian blue, which is a new color. As we can see, this car comes 800cc BS6 engine. BS6 engine is very environmental friendly. And also there is no compromise in power output and mileage of 24 km per liter. It's amazing. The car delivers 34 kilowatt of power and 64 Newton meter of torque. So let's go to the front view. This car comes with bold look and sweat lap headlamp, and this gets aerodynamic grease line. And we get optional fog lights here, and it gets honeycomb grille, and it's totally changed from older version, so it's pretty nice. Inside we get adjustable ORVM and a character line on the doors, which improves the road presence, and it gets side moldings on the door. And when we come to the tire, it gets 13-inch tire, good tire profile, and it gets full wheel cover. In rear we can see high mounted stop lamp for safety, and we get Alto badging on the left side, and we get the almost same shape of taillights as the last version, and we get rear parking sensors here. So let's open the boot. When we open the boot, we get a partial tray here where we can keep light luggages, and here we can store. The boot carrying capacity is 177 liters, so it's very more big space for a car like this small. As we come to the rear, we get wide opening doors, which is good, and we get good cabin space, good headroom, good leg room, good knee room, and good shoulder room also. And we get ample amount of under thigh support also. We get inbuilt headrest, which is not adjustable. So and we get non-power windows, which we should use it manually, so due to the convenience. So let's go to the front seats. As we come to front seats, we get dual tone interior and a very bright looking dashboard. We get 2 airbags, which is very good, and we get silver finish on the steering. In the speedometer, we can see the fuel as a digital, and it gets tachometer and speedometer, and it gets manual AC control, and power windows are here down. And when glove box is of decent size. When we come to the infotainment system, it gets Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and many other features, and it's very easy to use also. So and you can get navigations also in this, and this is so good of the interior. So let's go to talk about highlights. Come, the new Alto 800 is of 2020 model is superior in terms of safety and technology. It gets a dual airbag along with ABS, EBD, brake assist, reverse parking sensor, and high speed alert. It gets driver and co-driver seatbelt reminder also, and pedestrian protection as standard in all variants. Hence there is no compromise in safety. Coming to technology, it also features SCNG options, where it features dual ECU retuned suspension and brakes. It improves performance and drivability, also safety paramount. Hence SCNG cars have micro switch, which it gets automatically off while refueling the car. The new Alto 800 price starts from just 2.99 lakhs onwards to 3.9 lakhs. Very good value for money, good car. I personally liked it. This car is very well because it is a complete refresh and a sporty version, sporty looking hatchback. The new Alto also promises 2 years or 40 40,000 kilometer of warranty. It can be also extended to 5 years, which give complete peace of mind. Thanks to Kalyani Motors Bengaluru for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to review cars. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications of future videos. Thank you.